Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Turbos Finance token. Ticker symbol is Turbos. This token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 12th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this project and how you can get this token in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us. So check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 12th at 3 o'clock UTC time. The Turbos token got listed on Coinex Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Coinex Global account, I do have a Coinex referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Coinex Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade sections and search Turbos, and then simply you would just buy the token. It is that easy. So it's already listed today, it's already up, it's past that time already. If you want to check out their Twitter right here at Turbos_finance, you will see that they have a full link tree there. It says link3.to/turbos. That's going to take you to a whole bunch of links anywhere you need to go. If you go to their webpage too, turbos.finance, and you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you're going to find all their socials, all their links, all their document section, all that type of stuff. If you want to find documents, just go to turbos.getbook.io. So Turbos is a non-custodial decentralized exchange built around the concentrated liquidity market maker CLMM model on the SWI network. A non-custodial decentralized exchange built on SWI. Turbos Finance is a non-custodial and hyper-efficient decentralized exchange. Built on SWI, Turbo brings a universal notion of digital asset ownership and unprecedented horizontal scalability to decentralized finance. Founded in June 2022, Turbos is supported by Meiston Labs and is backed by experts in DeFi and cryptocurrency trading, including Jump. Turbo's mission is to make DeFi accessible to the next billion Web3 users and to serve as a pivot between SWI ecosystem projects and the market. Our value propositions: we aspire to build a robust public infrastructure in the SWI network. The central piece is the concentrated liquidity AMM with sophisticated fees structure. They have maximized capital efficiency, so we revolutionize decentralized trading by providing popularized the concept of concentrated liquidity. Our platform achieves a higher degree of capital efficiency by reducing the trading range in which liquidity is provided, effectively eliminating unused collateral and maximizing the potential for returns. Also, enabling dynamic asset management. Our platform is designed to give liquidity providers a complete autonomy over the trading price range of their assets. With our flexible price range management tools, LPs have the flexibility to adjust price range as needed to adapt to the dynamic market conditions. Also, streamlined trading at your fingertips. Our decentralized application is designed to make trading as simple and intuitive as possible with a minimalist design and user-friendly UI and UX features. You'll have the tools you need to navigate our concentrated liquidity model with ease. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, our platform is built to help you achieve your goals without any unnecessary complications. So why would we choose the SWE network? Well, it says the past 2 years have been significant in development within the DeFi ecosystem, marked by a notable surge in growth. Presently, the Ethereum ecosystem holds the most prominent position, with attention largely focused on ETH, EVM forked chains, and Layer 2 networks. So the Ethereum ecosystem is currently beset by a multitude of vexing challenges. These include exorbitant gas costs denominated in ETH, low processing speed within the network. Ecosystem faces the problems of insufficient decentralization and transparency within ETH fork chains, and the existence of ETH Layer 1 presents a significant obstacle in the growth development of EVM-based public chains operating in the ecosystem. So SWE's network consensus mechanism allows for the parallel execution of simple transactions, significantly reducing latency and allowing validators to utilize their CPU cores to their full potential. Unlike many other blockchain networks, the SWE network does not rely on a strong asynchronous assumptions of the platform. This approach ensures that the chain security properties are maintained even under unfavorable conditions such as DOS attacks or network splits. So they have some of the concepts here of their protocol that you could review, like the fee tiers if you want to check out the fees. Now let's skip down to the token though. So the Turbos protocol token is ticker symbol Turbos, is underpinned by a strong token infrastructure designed to provide incentives, rewards, and various utilities for community members, fostering and thriving. A maximum supply is 10 billion for this token. 10 billion tokens. 18% of the tokens go to the team, 15% private investors, 12% treasury, IEO partnerships, and 5% to marketing and operations. Now, the token utility here, it says the token can be used for governance, voting, staking, trading, fee rebates, and there is also an emission distribution schedule that you could check out as well. And you could find all of the info plus more, way more that I went over already, like all the stuff I said, but in fine detail. If you go to turbos.gitbook.io, check out their Twitter right here, @turbos_finance. You're going to find the full link tree here. And check this token out, newly listed as of today on Coinex Global. Coinex referral code down there in the description box if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Like this video, leave a comment down there, check out the referral codes, hit that join button if you want to help support the channel. If you guys have not hit the notifications bell, hit that bell and then you'll find out when I post new videos on new tokens. You'll be able to see the tokens as soon as I post them. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.